Hello guys, welcome to Joy Guide World. My name is Pritham Paul and today I'll unbox the Realme Buds 2 which is newly arrived and the good product by Realme. Okay, today I'll unbox it and show you and give you the full review about the quality. It's just 599 rupees and a great headphone or not. Let's show. So let's unbox it. So here is the Buds 2, showing the feel the real bass or bass, whatever you say. It's the Realme branding over here, and you have 11.2 millimeter boost driver, built-in magnets, dual anti-twinning cable, and the cable organizer. So you can, I think this is good for the base. And let's open this pack. Okay, first of all we have to cut this seal over here. Cut it. Oh, very nice packaging. So over here you will get the headphones are there. Let's see printing. So let's connect and see what the sound. So I'll connect it with my phone and let's see the sound. So first of all it shows the good quality of this cable, and we will also get the cable manager over here to put it on there, and there is the good bud size. It's very nice buds, and you can also connect it through this magnet, so it will connect it like this. It is super. Just remember how it fit in my ear. You see, it fit my ear very good. That's true. And it's also not fault. And if you throw it hard, it will fall. But if you change this driver, you get the additional drivers in the box. So you take this, it's very good. It's good. Let's first of all, I have to tell you there's a good base quality over there in the headphones. It's not like 600 rupees headphone. It's like it's 2000 or 3000 rupees headphone I'm using right now. So let's talk about the sound. This sound is not that much loud, but if you go with the full sound, you will get the loudest sound, but it's also you will get the clarity of the sound. So it's also the good. At this moment, I'll talk about the quality of the microphone. You will get it on your Realme Buds too. So I am talking right now with this microphone, and when you call somebody or to have to record your voice or anything to do with your microphone, just shoot like video like this. You can use this microphone. How is the quality you are hearing right now? I am talking with this headphones microphone. It's also good, I would say, and sound quality is also the great and the good bass quality, and the product quality is also good. Basically the wire is very nice. Okay, and you will also get the cable man to manage the all cables, and it's a good headphone at this price range. So I'll always recommend it. If your budget is 500 to 600 rupees, you will go for the Realme Buds 2. I ordered it from Realme website, but you can order it from Amazon also. It's already available in Amazon and Realme website. Thanks for watching Joy's Gadget World. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.